Alright, so we have the Unblock Tech 4. We're going to get one of these boxes for our new place. We're going to get all the channels and we're going to do an unboxing at our new place. So let's buy it and then we'll check it out. So I've got my Unblock Tech, the UBOX version 4. I can't wait to put this into our system at home. So let's get cracking and see how it works when we get home. Welcome to our new studio. Check it out. We're going to add some more shelving behind us, so that'll come in next week. So first off, we're going to be unboxing the Unblock Tech. Yes, the UBOX version 4. We needed one of these because behind this camera we have a 55-inch TV. So you know, to make it more kind of encompassing with all our new stuff, we're going to be plugging this in and testing this out. Apparently this is going to have tons of channels on it. It comes with an 8-core processor, 1 gig of DDR3 RAM and a 16 gig flash RAM. So this was a 16 gig version. Uses the latest Android 5.0 Lollipop. Supports up to 4K TV. It has Wi-Fi, 100 meg LAN, HDMI output, 2 USB slots. So let's do a quick unboxing and see what it has to offer, and I will show you how it's all plugged in, and we'll see the menu system as well as some of the TV channels. So we have the UBOX 4 from Unblock Tech. Let's do a quick unboxing. Alright, so let's see what's inside. Alright, so we have the unit itself, the Unblock Tech UBOX 4. Along here you have the USB port, there's the SD card slot, and then the back here we have another USB port, power, AC power, and it's the LAN port, 100 meg, HDMI, and this is a stereo, well AV it says here, and the reset switch. Alright, what else is inside the box? We have usual stuff, I think. Yeah, this is the warranty card. Nothing special. Instructions, yeah, some instructions. It's the AC adapter, and then we have the HDMI cable. Yep. There's also a remote control, and then some batteries. Yep. That is pretty much it. So inside the box we have the Unblock Tech unit, the AC adapter, batteries, the remote control, and HDMI cable. So all these are the bits that come with it. Let's plug this thing into our TV and see what options and channels this thing has. The Unblock Tech unit here, the battery for the remote control, and the AC power pack. So let's plug these things in. Power light, it's all good. Let's stick some batteries in this remote control. Alright, so next is the HDMI cable. So we've got one of those right here, and we're going to plug that at the HDMI port. This thing comes with Wi-Fi. We're going to be using the Wi-Fi. If the Wi-Fi isn't enough, then obviously you can use the LAN port right here. So we're going to plug that in, the cable with the HDMI. So this is the other end of the HDMI cable. We're going to plug that into the TV and then switch it on with our remote control and see what this thing has to offer and what kind of channels it has. Let's go. It's loading stuff. Here we go. First of all, I'm guessing I need to get the language going on here. So settings. Alright, so let's go to language settings, and we want English, of course. So let's go down to English. Here we go. Yes, English United Kingdom. Alright, we're connected, and you can see FK Studio status is connected. Signal strength is excellent. 72 meg speed is fine. Yeah, let's go. Alright, what's next? that's connected. Let's go back to the menu. All right, let's go back, and yeah, I think we're good. These are all, I can set the date and time. So sure it's all correct. Yeah, we're in Hong Kong time zone. We're good. Storage. So look. Okay, so as you can see, as you download the apps, storage, you've got apps there, available storage. Yeah, 16 gig space, so 6 gig of it is used up, I guess. As you can see at the bar at the top, there's internal storage, how much is being used. So yeah, this is pretty much simple, it's easy to use. Language and input, here we go, let's have a look at that. Okay, it's pretty good. Good to go.
So I hope you enjoyed the video. Hit the like button and leave a comment below. Visit our website and also subscribe to our channel. Until then, this is Winston for Funkykit.com.